common problem is you have a project made up of, let's say, 7 activities, and you know when you have to end the project, let's say May 1st, 2020. And you know how long in workdays each activity takes. Activity 7 takes 2 days, activity 6, 3 days. You want to know the start date and the end date for each activity. And we'll assume you start each activity the workday after the previous activity ends. So you need that workday function to try and figure this out. So when would you start activity 7? You have to work backwards. So you'd say workday. Okay, you'd go here, and then you'd go minus this many. And so that one will start on April 29th. We'll show you that formula. Now, a little tricky here, what we're going to do is fill in column G. So when would you start? When would you finish the one before? It's got to be the day before you start activity 7. So it's going to be this, comma, minus 1. So that would be April 28th. Now I'm going to copy this up. It's not going to do anything useful for me. In a minute, we'll fix that. So go here. Okay. Now all I got to do is copy this up because basically you want to go back this many work days from the date it's got to be done, and this will finish things, I believe. So when does the whole thing have to start? The whole thing has to start on March 23rd. Then this one ends March 30th because you got the weekend. Start March 31st. This one ends May 6th. Start the next one May 7th. Now, there should be right here, April 17th, you end it, but you start April 20th because of the weekend. We could have put holidays in here, but I think that's a pretty cool application of the workday function. So here we have the formula for column F, and I guess we should put this one up here, I guess, because there's no formula. There we go. So these are your key formulas. And so I think that's a great use of the workday function to try and schedule all the activities that make up a project.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.